Did you know that the enchanted cloak of invisibility isn't just a fantasy? In the animal kingdom, the octopus has mastered this trick. Using specialized skin cells called chromatophores, octopuses can change their color and texture to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This natural camouflage is so effective that it can even fool predators and prey alike. Imagine walking through a forest and suddenly realizing that the rock you just passed was actually an octopus. This fascinating ability showcases nature's ingenuity and the wonders of evolution. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.